How to pull in extra cash. Have you ever seen ads claiming you can make hundreds of dollars a week just by assembling products from home? It sounds like the perfect side hustle, but is it actually? In this video, I'll explain how home assembly work really works, how to avoid scams, and the legitimate ways you can earn extra cash using assembly skills.
Hi everyone! If you're looking for flexible ways to make extra
income from home, you've probably come across home assembly jobs. While many advertisements are misleading, there are genuine opportunities that involve assembling, crafting, or packaging products for businesses or selling your own handmade creations. Let's look at what is real and what is not.
First, be cautious of companies that ask you to pay upfront for a starter kit or promise guaranteed earnings. Legitimate employers generally don't require you to pay simply to access work opportunities. Instead, consider these legitimate options. Work with local manufacturers or small businesses that outsource light assembly or packaging tasks. Joining freelance marketplaces. We can ideate the creative aspect of handmade crafts. Explore fulfillment or packaging work with established companies that clearly explain payment, expectations, and contracts.
Remember, real home assembly jobs usually pay based on completed work, and the income depends on your speed, quality, and the availability of projects.
They're unlikely to provide a full-time salary, but they can be a useful source of supplemental income. The key takeaway is simple: don't fall for get rich quick promises. Genuine opportunities exist, but they require patience, attention to detail, and careful research. If you are interested in earning from home, focus on legitimate businesses, build reliable skills, and stay alert for warning signs like upfront fees or unrealistic income claims.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical side hustle ideas, and leave a comment sharing your experience with working.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.